Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. Today is day 2, heading back to Algodones. Today I'm going to cross over the border. Look at all these billboards along the freeway. They just advertise all kinds of medical, from anything from pharmacies to dental to glasses, everything. Okay, here's my exit coming up, Algodones Road. This sign says Mexico, next exit. That's the one we want. Today is my very first appointment. I'm going to meet the doctor, go through pricing, and see what else they're going to have me do. Drove out here yesterday, just kind of lay the land, scope everything out. So, going to park up here in the Indian parking lot, Indian reservation parking lot. Alrighty, it's $6. You can park here during the day, but you can't park here overnight. They do have a little fenced off area that you can park overnight, I guess, you pay more money. But if you're going to be down here in your RV, I'd just stay up at the casino in the boondocking area up there. That'd make it pretty easy. Alrighty, paid on their 6. Go get parked. I will be back. Okay, there's the border. I've been warned you cannot do any kind of photography going across. So let's go. Welcome to Algodones, Mexico. Made it. Check it out. Look at all the shops. Pharmacy and liquor store. The famous Purple Pharmacy. Heard a lot of people. Medical plazas all over. Medical offices, dental. Looks like some good eats too, some cafes. Cool looking fountain. Not many people here this time of year. Looking good though. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go find the dentist office and make my appointment. Okay, here we go. Algodones Dental Care, Dr. Brian Brown. I made it. Talk to them a lot on the phone. Alrighty, next video I'll let you know what happened. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Stay tuned. Talk to you soon.